Hi everybody, it's Martyn Flicking Feathers again today. I'm tying a really simple little bluegill fly, panfish fly, cap spider. It's well worth tying some if you fish for panfish. Tie them all different colours. You know, I had an olive and kind of chartreuse in the vise there, pink and chartreuse, black, you know, all chartreuse. Brown's good, you know, up to you really. But it's a great little fly for getting kids started in fly tying, and then you can take them out and catch a fish. You know, it's especially as we're coming in. Spring's just round the corner. You know, it'll be good to get them outside and stuff. So as always, there'll be a materials list and a link to the Patreon and social media for anyone who'd like to support the channel. That's always appreciated. So I've got a Wapsi jig head in the vise, and this is a 1/124th of an ounce, so what's that, a third of a gram or something, or a quarter of a gram. It's a size 10. But you just buy these jig heads. They come in different weights and sizes. You can have an 80th or a 1/64th. I wouldn't go much bigger than that really. So I'm just going to get some chenille. This is suede chenille, vernille. It's nice and tough, lasts forever. Just tied that in the length of the shank, and then I'm going to wind a nice body. Then when I got up to the lead head, I'm just going to come across 2 or 3 times, come in, trim that way. And then I'll just batter some thread on there just to give me a nice wee flat spot to tie in the legs. I don't know how well you can see that. So I've used bright thread so you can see it, but I don't actually know how well it's standing up. So legs, I've got to take 4 bits of silli leg. You can more or less take one strand and just fold it in half twice, and that'll give you your 4 legs. Then I like to just offer this up, take 1 loose wrap, just enough, just to weight the bobbin, no tension, and then another one over it, repeat them. You can put that so that they're roughly level. Then you just tighten up, and then you can run the thread through them a couple of times, and then bring it to the front. Whip finish. And your spider is done. The last thing to do is just level up the legs. I just like to take them all to the back and trim them so that they're just about half a shank length or so, or a shank length beyond the back, and that makes them stick up, stick out, and they're full of movement. So there you go, that's the cap spider, super easy, just a wee bit of head cement on the whip finish and it's good to go. As I say, tie them in all different colours, you know, your imagination's the limit. Great for panfish, although I've actually caught other species on them as well. But well worth tying, well worth having. So hope that was useful, hope you enjoyed it. Take lines guys, bye.